the ICV calculator by ADEPTS Chartered Accountants, a tool designed to simplify your in-country value assessment in line with UAE certification requirements. Let's get started. The first section is user information. Start by entering your full name, email address, and phone number. Next, select your company business type. Choose either goods manufacturer if your company produces physical products, or service provider if you offer services. Then, indicate whether your company is based within UAE or outside UAE. Once you've filled in all the details, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and click Continue to Next Step. Goods manufactured. This section applies to companies that manufacture goods. For goods manufacturers, you'll see a detailed table. For each product, enter the goods description. Under Within UAE Costs, fill in the goods manufacturer's name and select their emirate location, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, and so on. Then enter the procured cost in AED. Do the same for the service provider columns if applicable, and enter the ICV percentage and ICV value. For costs outside UAE, enter the supplier name, procured cost, ICV percentage, and ICV value. The internal cost and total ICV will be calculated automatically. The totals at the bottom will update as you fill in the table. Further goods manufacturing section is applicable for industrial license holders. The third-party spend section, third-party spend, is applicable for service providers and trading companies. Mainly companies have commercial licenses. Captures all goods and services you've procured from external vendors. For each entry, enter the goods or services description, the vendor name, and the cost of procurement, then select the vendor's location. Enter the vendor ICV percentage, and the calculator will automatically compute the in-country procurement value. The total procurement cost and total in-country value will be summed up at the bottom of this section. Investment. In the investment section, you'll declare your UAE-based assets. Enter a description of each owned asset, its net book value from the previous financial year, and select whether it is located inside UAE or outside UAE. The calculator will total the net book value of all assets located within the UAE. The Emiratization section captures your UAE national workforce data. Enter the number of direct Emirati staff, their combined annual salary and benefits, any donations made to Sandak Al Watan, MAN, NACD, or government universities, and annual training expenditure for Emirati employees. The total will be calculated automatically and factored into your ICV manpower score. Next is the expatriates section. Here you record your non-UAE national employees. Enter the number of expatriate direct staff, their annual salary and benefits, and the annual training expenditure for these employees. The total is auto-calculated. In the revenue section, enter your company's revenue figures from the last financial year. Provide revenue from UAE customers and revenue from outside. UAE customers split into two categories: re-exports, meaning goods exported without value addition, and exports excluding re-exports, which covers goods or services with genuine value added. The total revenue figure will be calculated automatically and is used to determine your ICV bonus. The final input section covers advanced technology and sustainability. There are two subsections, one for goods manufacturers and one for service providers. If you're a goods manufacturer, enter your Industrial Technology Transformation Index score, and then indicate yes or no for the environmental certifications your company holds. ISO 14001, ISO 14046, ISO 50001, and Green Industries labeling. If you're a service provider, answer yes or no for your sustainability policies, including sustainability strategy and governance, material circularity, water and wastewater management, and emissions management, followed by the same ISO certification questions. Once all sections are filled in, scroll down to the in-country value details summary table. This shows you each ICV component: goods manufactured, third-party spend, investment, investment top-up, manpower emiratization, manpower expats, ICV bonus, and the advanced technology and sustainability bonus. along with its applicability and percentage contribution. At the very bottom, you'll see your total ICV score as a percentage. This is your estimated ICV score based on the data you've entered. The numbers in this video are just an example. Your ICV journey is unique. Want to know your real ICV score? Let ADEPTS calculate, verify, and optimize it for you. ADEPTS, your score, your growth, our expertise. For more information, visit our website.